Hey everyone, Hannah here from Sheet Leveler. Today I'll show you how to create a button that copies a row to another sheet in Google Sheets. Perfect for moving completed tasks, archiving data, or sending rows to a log sheet. Let's first set up our sheets. We need a source sheet and an archive sheet. Both sheets should have the same column layout. Once we have that, we need to open Apps Script. Go to Extensions, Apps Script. Delete any existing code. Paste this script. You can copy this from the description. Click Save. Let's now insert a button that will run our script. Go to Insert, Drawing. Draw a shape. Add text. Copy row. Click Save and Close. Now we need to assign the script to the button. Click the button, select the three dots, and Assign Script. Enter copySelectedRow. Click OK. Now we can use it. Click any cell in the row you want to copy. Click the button. The row is instantly copied to the archive sheet. That's it. One click to move rows between sheets. Check the description for the full script. Hit like if this helped, and subscribe for more sheet tips.